Tears are not a symbol of defeat. They are a sacred language of the soul. Each drop carries a story, a weight, and a purpose. When we allow ourselves to cry, we give permission to our inner being to release what words cannot express. The transformation begins when we no longer fight the pain, but allow it to cleanse and reshape us. You are not meant to drown in your tears. You are meant to rise through them. They are not the end of your strength. They are its renewal. Every tear that falls carries away a fragment of sorrow and waters the soil where your healing will grow. So if you must cry, do it with faith, and something beautiful is being born within you. Yes.